My name is Lance Gregerchuk. I'm from Dusseldorf, Germany, and I'm the Chief Eating Officer at Natalio. Well, we're the only ones in the entire world doing a mobile app that brings together people who love to eat great food with those people who love to cook great food. And it brings them together. As opposed to going to a restaurant, people can go to other people's homes. If the laws of supply and demand have anything to say, then we're going to do pretty good. We got a big demand and a little supply. Well, we came last year to Wolf Summit to learn about how to get seed capital, how to meet investors, here was just, this is the place to be if you want to meet people who are interested in your idea and your product. You have to come to Wolf's. At the other conventions, you're a really small fish in a real giant pond. And here, you're a big fish in a little pond because there's so many investors that come here. This is what surprised me the most about Wolf's. There are so many investors here, from seed to alpha capital. And if you have the right pitch, if you have the right concept, then here's the place where you're going to get the capital that you need. The seminars here changed my life. I'm not, and I know that might sound silly, but learning how to pitch is probably the most important thing here at Wolf's. If you can do it in 3 minutes, and you can convince somebody in 3 minutes that your concept is viable and profitable and has a future, then yeah. And you have to go to the seminars here. They teach you exactly how to do that. Well, I have already started. This is like 9 o'clock in the morning on the first day, and I've already started networking. This is where you network, where you go outside and you just look at another person's badge and you just talk to them. This is here, the ultimate networking source. One of the greatest is on Monday night, I open up my calendar and a venture capitalist asked for an appointment with me. I didn't even ask it with him. He asked it with me. You have no idea what I was like on Monday night. It's the most amazing experience being up there on the stage, pitching to your colleagues who have also created great ideas, and pitching to judges who actually know what they're looking for. So, and remember, I think I have to remember that it's called the Great Pitch and not the Great Product Contest. There are a lot of great products out there, but if you can't pitch it properly, nobody's going to buy it. For price value, there is no better place to be. You're never going to find, and we've been to several of these now, and we only come to Wolf's now. We only come to Wolf's because here you find the right people, and it's not about 100,000 people being there. This is about, it could be 100,000, but here's going to be investors, and they're all over the place. When you walk, you look, oh, investor, 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 and that's the difference there. You're lucky enough if you find one. Absolutely. If you're a startup, go to Wolf's. Come with lots of business cards and get ready to talk. Do not just sit in the corner and wait for someone to come up and ask you if they can give you $1 billion. You have to go to them. You have to be very aggressive here. You have to go and talk to people. Make sure you planned it up front. Set your meetings up front. Send personal messages, not spam messages, personal messages to all of those investors that are listed on the page. And that's why this time we got so many appointments, as opposed to last time we didn't know what we're doing. But I can tell you, if you use the tools that Wolf Summit gives you, you will get lots of meetings, lots of appointments. Warsaw is like, I came here about 20 years ago, and Warsaw is amazing. It's like where we are, this event, this location is perfect. Downtown, everything around is just still taking pictures, and it's kind of touristy, but I love it.